Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I don't know that this is that cool, and I think I could have done a better job if I would have used some interactive fill between the two layers. But it's going to show you how to get this layer to fit inside that other one as it goes around. So here's our mock-up, but you'll be able to take a screenshot of if you want to. Control D and make a duplicate. I'm just doing ellipsis. Get it about right there. Now we're in the center of the page. And this is one of the reasons I like working in the center of the page. So get your 2-point line and start moving and hold down the control button and then hit P. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, we need to take and there's several ways to do this, but all we need is a line from there across and then kind of down. Whoop, don't need the line tool anymore, so let's zoom in. I think the best way to do it is just take your 3-point curve line and go from that node or intersection to that intersection, give a little bit of a curve. Go from that one to this one, give a little bit of a curve. You need it. You want a good transition. Now we're going to take this 3-point line, go from there to there, give a little bit of a curve. We just want you want it to be like smooth, and you can kind of see that. By using the 3-point line, all those lines are connected. So we're going to make this transition a little bit better. We're going to try to, what I say by transition, I'm trying to get it smooth, it'll make it look a lot better. Like, you don't want an abrupt turn like that. You want it to kind of, be continuous. It looks like it's just flowing. That's good enough for the video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to alternate C, and which puts it in the center, then I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. This is our shape that we want. So I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines and delete that line. There's our shape. That's all we need. And then that way it'll work. So now what I'm going to do is Control G to group it. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And let's see if we can't do a little bit better job this time of making it look good. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and take this and do a little bit of Smart Fill or interactive fill, putting a little darkness down, but we can change that. I just looked over it and I have to nudge it exactly where it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Edit and clone it. And by doing that, now I can nudge one out of the way. And if you look, this is our clone curve. This is our control curve. So we actually need to swap places with this because we want this to be our clone. Now I'm going to Control D, alternate C, which puts it to rotate in the center of the page and go 22.5 degrees. Whoop, I made too many. So always go back, don't have copies. Okay, here we go. Then put it back. Now let's bring in the black box. Look, see what it looks like, because it's always going to kind of show off, to me at least, more. Now what's cool about this, if you don't like this look and you want to change it, all you have to do is change this one. So if we grab the interactive fill tool, we can change this one. It's going to change the other ones. Watch this. Look at that. Now that's not really one. I wanted it kind of on the sides to see what it looked like. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. And then you could add, different aspects of it. That's really pretty cool right there. Let's just by coincidence, let's just add a little more, and so you could add, quite a bit of, make it blue, still stay blue on top, but we could add a little black closer. Or you could also just change your, like that. You know what? I wonder if we move that one up here and let's put a little white in between it. Look what you can do. I mean, it still amazes me every time. Look at that. We threw the white to the inside, throw it to the outside. It's not really a white. It looks like a silver. Whenever you make a mistake, just back up and you'll be good. I really like that. Now watch what? Look how it throws it in the center. Anyway, it's a lot cooler than I originally thought it was going to be. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.